Someone asked me on our latest ACH course, is advanced conversation the way we teach it? Is it just talk therapy? And my answer is, who cares? There are so many hypnotherapists and coaches out there arguing with each other about what method is best, what technique is best. You see them in the Facebook groups. You know, they're in the Facebook groups. Instead of wondering how to get clients and build their business and be successful and be positive, they're all saying NLP is better than hypnosis. Ericksonian is better than hypnosis. Hypnosis is better than this. You can't have just hypnosis. You have to know NLP and coaching and my mentor this. Arguments nonstop. It doesn't matter what method you use. I'm not going to sit there and argue and say, is ACH different than talk therapy? I couldn't care less. All I know is what works based on experience, and that's the way we teach it. If someone links it to, well, this is just NLP, which is not. If this is just clinical hypnosis, which is not. This is just ACH and talk therapy, the same thing, which it's not. But I'm not going to sit there and argue with it because all I care about is the results. And when it comes to you guys and you working with clients, that's all that matters. Your client doesn't know the difference, nor do they care whether you use ACH, Ericksonian, visualization, clinical, coaching, or just an amalgamation of everything. You give your client what works. Whatever the label is, it does not matter. No client's going to pop out of trance and say, hang on, Scott, don't you dare use Ericksonian on me. I want you to use clinical visualization techniques. Go ahead and do that now. Not only is that going to be a very hard client to work with, but it's never going to happen because they don't know the difference. I never once had a smoker come and see me, a lawyer, stop smoking client, say, I want you to use this method instead of this. Or Scott, is your method what Erickson was talking about? Is your method part psychotherapy, psychoanalysis, and talk therapy? They're never going to ask those things. The only people that ask those things are other hypnotherapists, and they're not my clients anyway. So all in all, guys, is ACH the same as talk therapy? Who cares? Is NLP just hypnosis? Who cares? Is clinical hypnosis the same as psychotherapy? Who cares? Just give your clients what works, give your clients what they need, and get results, guys.